Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool piece of equipment. This is a police and fire call box, and this is John's equipment from New York. And so basically what's happened here is he's already connected this telephone up. We're going to give you a look at it since this is the initial checkout. And there is a telephone and a rotary dial inside this box. And so you could actually make a call with it or get a call. And the telephone works. He had a bell that was originally in this unit, and so it did not ring, and he purchased another bell, and we're going to show you that. I have a little piece of tape on a cover here where your bell sound would come out, and he installed that bell, and it still does not ring. So we want to go ahead and show you the inside of this telephone. Now that we have the door open, you can see it's actually a real telephone, and it's not just a handset that you would pick up. You can make a call with it, and we know the telephone does work, and so does the rotary. So John has already used this unit. His issue was the bell didn't ring, and we want to open the second door here. Okay, we have our second door open, and you can see the back of the rotary and the hook switch. You can see the network and the bell that John has installed that was a replacement that he purchased from the original bell here. And so this bell does not ring. Now what we need to do is troubleshoot and repair the problem. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and the bell issue has been resolved. So now what we want to do is go ahead and plug the unit in and test it. I have the hook switch held down. I want to go ahead and plug the unit in. Now I want to go ahead and ring the bell. Now we're going to let that go for a little bit because that was the issue. It did not ring. I'm going to let it go one more time, and I'll go ahead and let the hook switch up. Now what we can do, if you watch the analyzer, we can walk through our numbers. And I'm going to end in a 2. Now we know that this telephone works because John's actually used it, but we can do another check. I have a button here on this switch box, and if I push that, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Now they're having problems with their equipment. The recording will start, and then you'll hear a hum, and the recording will continue. So let's go ahead and call that number. Give you some dial tone.
Good evening. Today is Tuesday, November 5th. The time is 11:24. Current temperature 64 degrees. Cloudy with occasional rain overnight, lows in the upper 50s. Occasional rain Wednesday morning, scattered showers in the afternoon. A high around 60, temperature falling into the 40s in the afternoon. On a south wind, 15 to 20, shifting to the west 10 to 15, and gusting to 30.
Okay, we can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Okay, we want to switch the switch box back over to the analyzer because I want to go ahead and ring this telephone again. We're going to let that go a while. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. We are ready to do our final test with ringing the bell. And this is a very nice bell system call box. It's also a 525B Tel set. It's a very cool piece of equipment. We'll go ahead and ring the unit. I'm going to let that go a few more times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll stop the ring. Okay, now we want to do one last test. I want to go ahead and use the original bell that was in this unit and show John that this bell is good. We went ahead and connected this original bell up to the analyzer, and now what we want to do is a ring cycle on this bell. So we'll do a check on it and see if this bell rings. I'm going to let that go a few times. And now John can be assured that he has an extra bell if he ever needs one. And so that's been taken care of, and there won't be any question about that. This is a very cool bell system call box, police and fire. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.